Hey guys, today I'll be showing you all how to make elephant toothpaste. You will need hydrogen peroxide, water, and dry yeast. So you want to take yeast, well, I'm going to get scissors. Please don't do this without parents' permission. I have permission from my dad. So you open the yeast. Like so. You dump it in the water. Okay? Yeast is like this little, it smells bad. So, I'm going to start with the end of a fork with the water. Then what you want to do, you want to take food coloring. I don't know if I have any, but I will be... Daddy, do you know if we have, nope.
What we have?
Food coloring?
Yeah.
Can you get it for me, please? Okay. Make sure you stay at the camera.
Got green.
Okay. So now you mix the green food coloring with the hydrogen peroxide, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix it up. Then you want to take this. AJ, can you come over here and hold this like this? 1 second. But, hurry up. And this is my first time ever doing this. Then we're going to take the water and the yeast and dump it into the hydrogen peroxide. Uh-oh, it's foaming. Whoa. Can I touch it? Yeah, I guess. Might stain your skin. But it's really cool. I don't think I had enough water or yeast, but this is awesome. So, well, and these little bubbles are oxygen. Put it down. They're oxygen. I'm going to squeeze it. Move. See that steam? This creates heat. So, it's really cool to play with. I've seen people make phone cases and get wobble bubbles and balloons and make it like a stress thing. So, bye. See y'all later.